Dashcams have become increasingly popular in cars due to their numerous benefits. The recordings protect drivers from false claims or fraudulent activities during the time of accidents, or provides the required proof when someone tries to steal or vandalize your car. So I also have one installed in my car, and it is an Advanced Eye Care 2.0 from BMW. It comes with two cameras, one to be installed at the front and another one at the rear. Comes default with a 32 gigs memory card and also a card reader. It switches automatically to parking mode when the engine is turned off.
Parking mode.
And it starts recording when the engine is turned on. The camera can record high definition videos while driving and also in the parking mode. It uses both gyro sensing and also radar sensing to record incidents. Gyro sensing to detect any shocks and radar to detect any movements. The video quality is okay, it does the job, but I'm sure there are products which do a better job capturing high quality videos and are much cheaper than this. I use the ACE app in order to manage the camera. This is the dashboard, and there is this configure option where you can configure the driving mode and park mode. In the driving mode, it is set to continuous recording and G sensor, and also the sensitivity is set. In the park mode, it is set to record using the radar and the G sensor. Both radar sensor and G sensor sensitivity can be managed independently. You can set the value you want, and there are other options like the cameras. You can set the camera which you want to use, and also you can make use of the power button to either take the photo or the video. It's up to you, and there are lots of other options which you can set. This is where you get to access all the recordings. So it captures everything in there from the front and the back cam. This option is a live cam, so you can make use of that to click a pic or to capture video. And yeah, that's about the app. This camera draws charge from the battery, and it automatically switches off if the battery is running low on charge without depleting it, so that there is adequate amount of charge left to start the car next time. The installation done by BMW is also pretty neat. They have pretty much concealed everything, and also it does not block the visibility of the passenger or the driver. The major downside of the product is indeed the cost. It is really expensive, and I had to shell out 45k to get it. Well, if you ask me, there are lots of better options out there which are more economical and value for money. My concern was the warranty of the car. If I get something else and after getting it installed, if something goes wrong, then it will affect the warranty of my car, and that is definitely not a position I wanted to be in. You can get it installed from outside, but nowadays you need to make sure whatever is done is proper, and whoever installs does not mess up with the wiring. There are incidents where the car catches fire due to short circuit because of bad aftermarket installation. So when you do it from some place where they know what they are doing. Warranty becoming void for luxury car is not something we can live with unless you are filthy rich. So getting a dash cam for your car is a great thing. Like I said, there are lots of good products out there. Just make sure you get the right one for you and your needs, and get it installed from somewhere they know how to do it. Alright, that's all I have. Hope it helps, and thanks for watching everyone.